Yeah. What's that, Polly? Go get her, Polly. Something smells good. What's Z? What's Z? Oh, I didn't even see the poop there. Those landmines. I figured they were smelling pee, but poop, go figure. Like, I know they're used to walking with the leashes, but we're in a fenced-in spot, so we should be good. Come here, come here, Z. Yeah, let me get your leash. That way you guys can just run around. And then the leashes don't get as dirty. Oh, okay. Perfect. Perfect. Then the boys will smell them and get real familiar. But they've seen each other in just excitement, so. I introduced Hulk to one of my dad's friends who said they were dog-friendly dogs, and it took a chunk out of Hulk. So I'm a bit more apprehensive now. Although these two girls are sweethearts. I actually know them. But still, I don't want them or the boys hurt. And there's no rush. And they look happy. They're like, what's this?